Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will tackle a common issue many Roblox players face, the low memory warning. So let's dive right in. If Roblox keeps showing you a low memory warning, it's most likely because you have run out of RAM, not storage. This means you don't need to uninstall apps or software to fix the problem. Instead, check for any apps or programs running in the background. Close them all, including Roblox, and then reopen Roblox. Now try launching any game to see if the issue is resolved. If the warning persists, it's time to adjust your graphical settings. While in the game, pause by pressing the Escape or ESC key on your keyboard. Then navigate to the Settings tab. Lower the graphics quality all the way to 0. This should improve performance and help resolve the issue. If these steps don't work, your device might need an upgrade to handle Roblox more efficiently. So that's it for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.